waste time and miss out on going viral because they overlook 5 critical steps that should be baked into every upload strategy. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact AI process that I use to go from 0 to 800,000 views in 1 month on one of my faceless channels. And yes, it will probably get you more subscribers and ad revenue as well. So first, let me walk you through the exact strategy we're using, why it works so well, and how to apply it to your own channel as well. My name is Dave Nick, and over the last 14 years, I made millions of dollars on YouTube and helped thousands of beginners grow their own channels too. Step number 1 of this strategy is to come up with a repeatable formula for your thumbnail style. So here's a bad example of a channel that is not getting a lot of views, and the mistake that they're making is that you can see that in some of their thumbnails, this is the font they use, and they use a different font and a different color and a different style, then sometimes they use people, sometimes they use AI generated photos. It is completely all over the place, and it's not a repeatable formula. While if you look into the channel that only started about 4 months ago and now already has over 100,000 subscribers, they have a very repeatable formula that they use for all of these thumbnails. It's the same style, it's the same logo, and it's the same format. Here's another good example over here. This person is using the same colors, the same font, and the same style every time. Step 2, once you dial in your style, you want to use YouTube Shorts to promote your videos. You see, I have this channel that I started. I make long form videos which don't get a lot of views, but I use YouTube Shorts to then further promote those videos which get a lot of views. And if you open up any of the videos that I post as YouTube Shorts, they all link back to my long form videos, which because of the shorts get more views. Step 3, I use this AI tool called vidIQ. The first feature I use from this AI tool is just seeing what's trending for my competitor channels. So if I want to recreate a channel like this, when I have vidIQ, I can just click on these 3 dots and I can click on view trending videos, and I can just see what's working for them right now. I can see that this video from 2 months ago got 2 million views, or this one from 12 days ago got 154,000 views, so I can create something like that for my own channel. Secondly, I use this tool to make money. I want to show you how. So I go to the research tab, I go to keywords, and now I can research different keywords that are trending at the moment. So here's, for example, this AI tool that I started promoting as an affiliate. The name of the tool is Pixels. I can go to the search bar and I can see if there are people searching for this AI tool. I can see the search volume is very high, competition is very low. So I can start making videos talking about this AI tool, and I will be probably getting more views. I can also see what questions people are asking with this AI tool, and I can answer those questions. If I have a small channel, even if I get these 3,000 people who are searching for this question, that's very good. Again, the competition is very low, and I can do the same thing for any other product that I want to promote as an affiliate. Third feature that I use to get more views with this AI tool is daily video ideas. So I can just describe what my video is going to be about. So let's say I want to make a video about how to get more views on YouTube. Now I can submit that idea, and then it's going to analyze my channel and give me what will be the best titles and then the best script for this YouTube video as well. And it even recommends the thumbnails. Now I got some suggested titles and the score. So for example, this one has 96. So if I made a video 10 mistakes that kill your YouTube views, avoid these, chances are I would get more views. Fourth feature I use from this AI tool is the outlier score. When you go to research, you click on outliers, this is going to show you the standout ideas that are getting more views than usual. So if I, for example, want to make a video about golf, I just need to type in golf, and then it's going to show me which videos are getting more views than others on these channels. It's going to show me the outlier score as well. And the best part is that I can filter through and only show videos that were posted like last month or the last 3 months. And now I can see viral videos right now that I can replicate. Fifth feature that I use from this AI tool to get more views in my YouTube videos is creating thumbnails. So you can just describe what your video is about. So for example, how to get more views. And the best part is that I can also upload reference videos. So I can search for the same thing, and let's say I want to recreate this one, continue, and just click create. And now, as you can see, I got these thumbnails created for me, and I can of course edit them if I like, or if not, I just download it and then you can just use it. This saves a lot of time and money, because I'm personally paying about $10 per YouTube thumbnail. And if I create 30 videos, that's going to be $300 a month just for thumbnails. Sixth feature that I use with this AI tool to get more views is the AI coach. So it's available right over here. You just click on AI chat, and because your channel is connected to this AI tool, you can just ask it questions. For example, how do I get more views? And then it's going to analyze your channel and it's going to tell you what to actually do next. So you basically get your own coach, which tells you what to do with your YouTube channel. It tells me about my target audience, video topics, and which videos are actually getting the best results for my channel so I can replicate that. So if you want to try out this AI tool for free, I will leave a link in the description box down below. And if you got some value out of this video, subscribe and I will see you in the next one.